This entire box of products was $50. I only paid $44, but even so, the retail's about $150. Let's see what I've got. Just as a note, there is also a separate bag that was shipped in a different order. There's only one thing in here, so I'm just gonna show you guys this first. If you guys are new here, you should know that I coupon at Ulta a lot, which means every Ulta order is normally a whole endeavor. As in, the value of my order will always be way more than what I paid for it. This is a brush cleaner. I just needed one because my brushes were looking nasty. So I did the Ulta Beauty one because Ulta Beauty almost always has a deal where you spend $19.50 or $20-ish and you get a free beauty bag. And normally that beauty bag is worth about $20-ish. Now mind you, this started off because I needed brush cleaner and a few other things, and it ended up being a very sweet deal. Now that we remove all of the bubble wrap, it's about half a box, which for makeup, not terrible. Oh, you guys can't see this. This is very messy. So the other thing from the Ulta Beauty collection I got was the makeup removing towelettes. I'm just kind of sick of using like individual wipes and or using little cotton rounds. So I thought it'd be nice to get things that I could just use. They're so soft. And then just throw in the wash. And before I show you the other two things that I paid for, I only paid for two more things. This is everything that I got that's free. These are the things I paid for. One of them being the Smashbox Legendary Line and Prime Pencil. I got the shade, what's the word? Can you even see it? It's upside down. Medium Neutral Rose. I did not have a natural lip liner, so I thought that I would get one that I can wear under kind of my everyday lipsticks and glosses. Hoping. I think this is gonna be a really good shade, considering my everyday colors. Let's actually just swatch one of them next to it. This is one of the Kaja lip swipes. Yeah, look at that. Okay. You will be hearing my mom in the background of this entire video. Never mind, I'm gonna tell her just to tone it down. Mom! I did that calmly, I swear. And the other thing that I bought was actually, this is something I've been wanting for a while, but it's the Youthforia lip gloss. It's the one that's color changing. This one's it's called Chemical Reaction. But if you guys have not seen this, I'm very late to this trend, I know it. But it is this green gloss. And there's I believe they stack or something like that, or like the top of this. This little top star actually can sit. It's magnetic. They are literally, so you can buy multiple shades and just kind of stack them. Now Chemical Reaction, as you can see, is green. It's even green on the stick. You can barely tell it's there. But if I'm to put it on my skin and let it sit for a second, it balances to your pH. It's that one, by the way. Now I am gonna just put this on real quick. I have a lot of pH based lipsticks. Wait. Let's get a little closer for you guys. Mainly the ones from Lipstick Queen. I don't have a gloss, and everyone was really liking this, and I think I am also really liking this. I'm not a big fan of pinks, though. You see how after I used it, there's pink on the wand, right? Why does that not change? This is just a chemical thing I wouldn't understand, nor I don't expect any of you to understand. But if there is a pH change on the stick, when it touches the other things, does it not transfer at all, or does it just stay green? I don't know. Questions for Bill Nye the Science Guy. On to the free things. One more time. This is the only stuff that I paid for. Now first with the Ulta bag, I have so many of these. I get so many of these. It's always a different kind of bag. And if you guys have seen any of my Ulta hauls in the past, because I do these like at least once every 2 to 3 months, the bags are normally really nice. This one, it's like crepe paper. I kind of don't like this one at all. But beggars can't be choosers. Oh, it's all wrapped. Normally it's not. Okay, so bag, cute, whatever. I normally give these away, or I'll like fill them when I'm traveling and then still give them away. I normally give these away. But you get a decent amount of product in there. Yes, it's Ulta Beauty products, but if you've noticed, a lot of my minis from Ulta Beauty actually come from these. So there is one palette, and they have had palettes before, but this one's slightly bigger. It's called the Violet Hour, which I'm actually kind of hopeful for. There were, I think there was 2 options for this bag. Normally there are options, but I don't really care all that much, just because I normally also give away the stuff that is in these packages to other people. Or when I have friends over, I tell them don't bring anything because I have everything. Also because I am an extreme poop runner, so stockpile be stockpiling. Let's expose this to you guys first. Okay, that's cute. There's 4, so there's 4 matte shades and 4 glitter shades. Do I know why one of the glitters is at the bottom? No, I guess that's just because of the color, I don't know. I kind of really like this. So I'm gonna swatch Endless Nights, which is their brown. Cotton Candy Sky, which is like, I love that color. I absolutely love that color. So this is Endless Nights. This is Cotton Candy Sky. Let's do the Lavender Moon. They are ever so slightly chalky, but most of Ulta Beauty eyeshadows are. Oh, I have so much hair on my arm. I apologize. Yeah, they don't really transfer all that well, but that's how I normally find the Ulta Beauty palettes to be. This might just be my new travel palette because I really don't have a travel palette that's small and easy to like take places. So I struggle, but this just might be it. I wanted a new beauty blender because if you, this is also why I needed the cleaner, but mine is nasty. Now I have a new one, so technically I don't really need the cleaner, but it is not, oh, I do need the cleaner. My brushes are nasty too, but, new beauty blender. Gorgeous, wonderful. Not my normal color. I try not to get ones with oranges and reds because I'm so warm toned, but am I complaining? No. There's a brush in here, which I've never gotten a brush from Ulta Beauty before, which is wild to me. And it's just I guess it's an eyeshadow brush. I think it's supposed to be an angled brush, but I have no idea. I mean, it's soft. I'm gonna put it with the rest of my brushes. I doubt I'll ever use it. If someone comes over and they don't feel like safe using my brushes, I'll just give them that one. There is the New Heights Lifting Mascara. I also got one of these. I got multiples of these and I give them out. So this is actually gonna go in my giveaway pile. Which, let me know if anyone, do I wanna do a giveaway? I might do a giveaway one day just because. 2 lip glosses. Oh, this is a matte lip cream, which is actually a really pretty color and something I might keep. No, I'm not keeping it. I just did a purge, let me not. And then I have the Shiny Sheer lip gloss. And I'm going to take both of these into the giveaway pile just because, again, I know I'm not gonna use them. I know I have people that would love them so much better. They're going away. But that's not it. That's not it. We have the tinted eye primer, and I actually have, this is a mini, but I have another mini of this that's even smaller, and I like used it and I loved it. So this is staying. And there's also the Poreless Face Primer, which I have never used their face primers before. The eye primer I just like a lot. This one we'll try out and see. Because it is a mini, I'm a lot more inclined to try it. Though normally I do use my mini e.l.f. Putty Pore Primer. This would not be a bad option. We have a bunch of mascaras, I think. It's from Too Faced. Because the day that I did this, they had a Too Faced deal. And that's really how I do things. I'll keep things in my cart and just keep looking every day to see what deals I can stack. And that's how I get all of my stuff. Now, if these are all mascaras, I just did myself dirty. There is the Better Than Sex mascara, which right now I use a mini in my gym bag. Love it. I'm running out. This is staying. Absolutely. However, there is another Better Than Sex mascara. What is the difference? I don't know the black one. Oh, the one has primer? Oh, this is primer. So the back one's a primer. And the bottom was the mascara. We're gonna keep both of these just because I like them. And maybe these won't go in my gym bag, but something else. Maybe a nicer makeup bag because primer and mascara, I don't need that after the gym. But the other two, what is this? Okay, they're plumpers. Okay, this one right here, lip injections I've heard of. I am gonna keep this just because I've debated on trying this for a hot minute now. So I'm actually really glad that I got a mini. Cute, love it, wonderful. And then the other one is a luxury face plumping primer serum. Not keeping this one just because I already have my face. She kind of chubby. She cute like a marshmallow. We don't mess with her. And then we have our third box, which this was supposed to be a mystery gift that no one knew about. And I am now very, very surprised because if you look at it, the value of this is $47. So right now, I spent $44. The reason I spent $44 is because I had $6 in coupons or whatever. My retail would have been $50. $50 plus $47, we're already at almost $100. If we count all the Ulta Beauty stuff, that's about another $20. We're at like $119. And then realistically, all the mini mascaras, these are normally like 8 to 10 a pop. So another, I want to say 30 to be safe. We're looking at $150 worth of items, 3 times the amount that I paid. I cannot wait to see what's in this. It is by Bare Minerals, and I have not used Bare Minerals often. They're not my cup of tea, but it is okay because this was free. Really big box. This I have actually gotten before. I've gotten multiples of this before. It was a birthday gift like 3 or 4 years ago. Oh, maybe not. It was similar to this. It might be the one before this. It is supposed to be like an anti-aging thing, which I don't know. I think this is gonna be a giveaway just because I'm not at that age yet. I really don't want to use an excessive amount of product that I don't need. Like, I got wrinkles, but like, I still cute. I think so, at least. My mommy thinks so too. I'm joking. My mom does not think so. My mom thinks that I need to put on more foundation. I'm joking. Maybe. Anyway, in this little bundle, I think we have so many more minis that are gonna make me really happy. Look at it. Oh my god. I love minis so much. Like, absolute addiction. So the first thing that we have is... what? Okay. We have their setting powder, which I am not mad about because right now the other mini that I travel with is the Kat Von D setting powder, and I am not in love with it. It's more of a translucent setting powder anyway, but this is probably gonna be my new go-to for my travel bag. Again, I don't really care all that much when I'm traveling, so this makes life so much easier. It is like, it's not my shade, but I think I could deal with it. I think I could work with it. It'll be fine. It's okay. And this is supposed to be in all over color and warmth, and it's terracotta bronze. I don't know what an all over face powder is, but knowing that color and knowing my skin, I'm assuming this is how they were trying to make it inclusive for the free gift. I'm probably gonna use this as a powdered contour, because it just makes more sense with my skin tone, if anything. But I will be keeping it because I actually very much like the sturdiness of these containers. I think I'm gonna start posting live deals when I actually do them in my like community feed on YouTube. This way I'm not showing you guys after it happens and you can't really get the deal anymore. But at least you guys know it's out there so you can start searching. If you guys want like a tips and tricks video on how exactly I find all these deals, I like to think it's self-explanatory, but if you need it, let me know and I will take some time to actually do that. It's gonna take a while because you have to wait for the deals to come, but I could do it. It just requires research, your own knowledge, and maybe not a professional, but a very ambitious middle child.